Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week I'm going to be sharing with you guys this super simple no slip summer hijab style. I've been doing this a ton over on my Instagram and so many of you guys have been asking me to share exactly what I do. I will say this hijab style is super simple. There's really nothing to it. I just place it on my head and like simply throw it over my shoulder. But with that being said, I totally understand everyone's concern. A lot of you guys have been asking me like, how does it not slip and slide and just like fly off your head? So I do have a couple things that I do that really prevent the hijab from slipping and sliding, also prevent it from like flying off. So I'll be sharing that with you guys in this video. I'll also be sharing with you guys the fabrics that I like to use for this hijab style in particular, because I think that is one of the most important things, is making sure you use the right fabric. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this effortless summer hijab style. If you try it out, let me know, share your pictures with me on Instagram, and let's get right into it. One of the most important things for this hijab style is making sure you use the right fabric. So what I especially love is these modal scarves from Hot Hijab. They don't have to be from Hot Hijab, but I will say definitely try to find a fabric that is half viscose, half cotton, or 100% rayon. I feel like these fabrics are super lightweight, they're breathable, and you can also put them on your head loosely without having them slip and slide. So I have a couple here. These ones are all from Hot Hijab. Ignore the ones on the top. These are chiffon and georgette that I don't recommend for this hijab style because it will fly off. So the ones that I have here are from Hot Hijab. Their modal scarves are made 100% from rayon, but there are other hijab companies like Veiled Butte and Culture Hijab which make amazing like viscose modal hijabs. I will link them down below as well as with some coupon codes so you guys can shop if you guys want to. But any fabric that is made out of like half cotton, half viscose, or even rayon, I think are perfect for this hijab style. Also perfect for summer because they're just really lightweight and breathable. So definitely make sure you have the right fabric before you start this hijab style. And then the second most important thing is making sure you have the right undercap on. The other really important thing is to make sure you have on the right base underneath your hijab. You have to have something on underneath your hijab to make sure the hijab sticks to it and doesn't slip and slide. Through experience, I definitely recommend using a undercap that is made out of either cotton or jersey. You can use any sort of undercap. You can use like the pull-on ones, you can use the tubes, you can even make a makeshift turban the way I have on underneath. Anything will work. Just make sure that fabric is either cotton or jersey. If you use a softer material like silk or georgette or chiffon, your undercap will not only slip off but so will your hijab. If you guys are curious what I have on underneath, I have on a jersey hijab that I've cut up and makeshift into a turban. I have all the details of my undercap and how I create volume and everything already in a YouTube video, so I'll put a link to that somewhere here so you guys can check it out. So moving on to the actual hijab tutorial. This is super simple. So what I like to do is take a hijab, split it down the middle so there are two equal halves, then I just place it over my head, and I like to just bring the hijab forward a bit and cover my undercap. If you prefer to show your undercap, you can totally show that. I just prefer not to. And I have a mirror right here, so I'm just going to turn over and make sure it's situated the way I like it. So now that I have that on my head, what I do from here is one side, usually it's my right side, I like to take it and bunch it up. So I take it like that. The other side I like to leave it straight down, and I literally just take this and throw it over my shoulder. It is that simple. Literally that's all I do. I'm just going to turn over to the side and make sure it's kind of smooth. So I just like smooth out any pleats and I just fluff it up where I need to, and that is pretty much it. I do like to loosen it around my neck a little bit just because I want more air to be able to go in and out. That's why these shirts that I'm wearing with the high neckline is really important, so a lot of your neck doesn't show. I'll link this shirt down below as well. They come in tons of color and they're only $15. So yeah, that is really it. There is one last thing you can do if you're still pretty scared about it flying off. You can take a straight pin. These are like the ones that everyone uses, and I like to pin it on top of my head right here. Make sure you go deep enough so it also takes your undercap. So it's like your head scarf is being pinned to your undercap, and it just gets a little secure. You can also take this panel and throw it over your other shoulder. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I just like to leave it down. It honestly just depends on my mood, but I think both ways looks really cute. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Like I said, super simple, super easy. If you end up doing this hijab style or trying it out, definitely send me a DM on Instagram. I would love to see how you guys style it or look in this hijab style. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already so you guys don't miss out on my future videos, and I'll have everything linked down below as well as my outfit. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!